Hey everyone, Danny here with Off-Grid Trailers. Today we're coming to you from Moab, Utah. Today we'll be talking to you about our newest model in our lineup, the Sprocket. It comes in two variations, the Sprocket and the Sprocket X. So let's check them out. The Sprocket is actually based on our most popular model, the Expedition. So one of the coolest features on the trailers is our entry doors. On the Expedition and the Pando, that is a standard feature. It's also a standard feature on the Sprockets as well. So by now you're probably wondering, what the heck is the difference between the Sprocket and the Sprocket X? So let's go through that right now. So on the Sprocket X, you get the larger front storage box, which can house up to a 69-liter dual zone Truma fridge, the top storage rack, the front mounted tire and mount, and the roof rack, which the full roof rack that the Expedition has, which can carry 1,000 pounds of static weight. So when you choose the Sprocket versus the Sprocket X, you get the half height front storage box, which can house up to a 30-liter Truma fridge, as well as an optional half length roof rack, which then can house your tire and mount up top. As you may or may not know, the Expedition is my favorite model out of our lineup. It has tons of storage inside and outside, but with the Sprocket, the cool thing about the Sprocket is we now have pass-through storage, which is awesome. Another feature we also have, and we've kept from the other models, is a full 21 inches of ground clearance and a queen-size sleeping area as well. So on the Sprocket X behind me here, which is fully modular by the way, we're gonna go through all the options that we've added to kind of showcase to you guys. So on this one here, it's got the 69-liter dual zone Truma fridge freezer. You've got the AC and heat port out the side of the trailer here, so you guys can choose whichever model AC or heater you guys want. So on the modular drop-down kitchen, we have two different variations. So on this model here, we have the dual burner stove with sink basin. The other option has just a standard tabletop. You can use your own stove, but also has a sink basin in it as well. So walking around the trailer here, starting with the roof rack, full length roof rack, option of 270 or 180 awning, road shower, rooftop tent as well. Go to the bottom here. So we've got stabilizing jacks. Standard is 3500 HD Timbren suspension. You can also upgrade the Sprocket with the OGT Evolution Series Suspension as well. So coming around the driver's side of the trailer, you have the modular storage box with molly panel and storage shelves. The swing out bracket with shower enclosure, which is also available on our other models. So coming around to the front, we're going to take a look at the full height front storage box, which is also available on the Expedition. Inside, you have the standard 1,000 watt pure sine inverter system with one battery, which you can then upgrade to the 2,000 watt pure sine inverter, which comes with two batteries. As you can see, it has tons of storage as well. So to round out the front storage box, has your shore power plug-in, comes solar ready. So as you can see on the front here, it has some of the options that you can choose. So here you have your propane mount right on the front storage box, and as you can see, XO jack as well. And last but not least, my favorite feature, the articulating hitch, the 360 max coupler. Even though the Sprocket is 12 inches shorter than the Expedition, the sleeping quarters are exactly the same. You have a full queen size bed on the inside, and at 6'3", I can sleep in it just great. Perfect. So some items to consider when choosing between Expedition or Sprocket are as follows. The Expedition comes standard with 31 gallons of water and a hot water on demand system. whereas the Sprocket does not come standard with any onboard water. And last but not least, our Sprocket does encompass our industry-leading warranties. The lifetime limited roof warranty, the 1-year comprehensive warranty, and the 5-year structural warranty. If you're also interested, we do offer an additional extended warranty which tops up your comprehensive side 4 years, so it gives you a bumper to bumper of 5 years throughout the trailer. For more information, go to offgridtrailers.com, and while you're there, check out our new configurator for our trailers. Escape civilization, wake up in the wild.